Hello class. So today what we'd like to talk about is drawing a perpendicular bisector. So as you can see, this line segment is given to you. Now we want to try to draw a perpendicular bisector. In fact, this has two components to it, one of them being the perpendicular line, but at the same time it has to be a bisector, meaning it divides this line segment into two equal parts. By doing so, we will end up getting a midpoint also. So in the future, if you want to draw or if you want to construct a midpoint, you will use the same strategy. Now, then what we like to have is we like to have a compass and also a straight edge. Now, then first, get rid of this. Bring a compass. I'm just going to bring it this way. I guess it doesn't really matter whether I put it this way. Now, make sure you spread the compass more than halfway, because you know what? If I bring this one a bit too short and try to mark it, from the other side, you will realize that I will never meet. These two lines will never meet. So it's going to be giving us a very difficult time to find where the middle is. Therefore, we have to spread this one far away. Now, but one thing that we get to realize is this. Since we do not know where the middle is, it will be always better idea to spread more than halfway. Now, once we have done that, and then drawing an arc like this, and do the same without changing the width or spread of the compass, and do the same like this way, then what we end up getting is this. You see, since I didn't change it, this particular point is same distance away from here and here. So is this point. In fact, that is the idea of having a bisector, meaning if this point is same distance away, so is this one. And what I'm going to do is, if I connect those two, if I connect those 2 points together, then there it goes. This blue line will be the bisector, meaning we'll divide this line segment into two equal parts. Right here, that portion must be equal to that portion. And also, it will be perpendicular to the black line right over here. Alright, so this is how you can draw a perpendicular bisector. You can practice that more. Now, next is drawing a perpendicular line segment. In this case, you will realize that we're not trying to draw in the middle. What if there's one point that's given to us, just like here? And we have to draw the perpendicular line through this particular point. In fact, even though this one only has one condition, it seems, perpendicular line segment, but because of this idea of given point, we have to do a little bit of different thing than the previous one. So once again, we're going to get our compass and also a straight edge. Now, so what we like to do is this. First, I would like to bring this compass to that particular given point, and I would like to open this compass up. But I like to open this up a little bit more than what I need to, meaning I like to open this one up so that when I draw an arc, I will know that it will show me 2 points that are equidistant away from this point. Meaning, as soon as I know that these 2 points that are equidistant from this particular point, then I can apply the same logic as previous video to get our perpendicular line. That happened to be the a perpendicular bisector from these two particular points, which will be this where this point would have been at. But you know what? I have drawn this mark a bit too small. I could still do it, but it will be a bit too hard to see. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to draw an arc that's a little bit bigger. All right, this looks better. All right, now, then I'm going to repeat what we have done earlier using the red. Coming from here. Now, if I go around, then this would be about halfway. But I can see that I will definitely pass through, so I'm going to go through this way. Go to the other point. And draw another arc. Now, then you will realize that once again, this particular point is the equidistance from here to here. Now, what I can do is bring on a straight edge, and just simply connect the dot and then the intersection. I'll do it with blue. Then now, there it goes. What I have done is I ended up drawing a perpendicular bisector from these 2 points, but that wasn't the given condition. It didn't really matter. What we were looking for was the drawing a perpendicular line segment to this line from this particular given point. And we kind of borrowed the idea from the previous drawing. All right, that's it. So we'll have more for you later. Have a nice day.